So it's Ben here from Powered Now, day 2 of PHEX, and I am with our friend, is it Wavin?
Wavin, yeah.
Wavin. I'm Ben.
Sam.
Sam, nice to meet you, Sam. Now, Sam, we were talking earlier and you were showing me some of the products that Wavin have, including some really, you embarrassed me because I couldn't pull that pipe out from the thing.
You did a great job.
I did a great one. It's nice of you to say that. So what is Wavin? Tell me about your products.
So with Wavin, we offer our sort of message that we try and get across is that we want to deliver the entire system of range of products. So from below to above ground, and in this case, it's above ground. So with our new products, Hep2O Keyless.
Keyless, yeah.
We've got 2 different ranges coming out at the moment. So obviously, probably familiar with our Hep2O.
This is just a push fit.
Yes, so it's our push fit plumbing.
Yep.
This is the range we've had out for the last 14 years. Keys, so you need a key to unlock that.
Yep.
With the new keyless, you don't need that at all. So it's just push, twist, go, basically.
Push, twist. Look at that, easy peasy, huh?
Exactly, yeah.
And you just push it back in and then just turn it, right?
Yeah, exactly. So it comes pre-locked out of the bag. So It comes like this. If you want to unlock it, twist that, push that in, and away you go.
That's really clever. So this is new?
This is new, yes. So launching this month.
Launching this month, so it hasn't even launched yet?
Hasn't even launched yet, but
wow.
It'll be launching this month, yeah.
So you come to PHEX, you get to see the new stuff straight away.
Exactly, coming as it's coming
Very
out.
Good. You said this replaces the stuff with the keys.
Yes.
So you don't need a key, you don't need anything.
No, that's all coming part of the fitting itself.
Very good.
So obviously, as I said before, you've got the twist function there, that unlocks the catch, push down the catch.
Brilliant.
Exactly.
Brilliant. Now, also, you showed me something which involves some very noisy... Tell me about this. What's this piece of kit?
So this is our Tigris K5 press fit system.
Yep.
Previously, we had our K1 system for the last 20 odd years. That operated off a U profile. With K5, it offers 5 different jaw profiles with the U, UP, TH, H, and B.
So you can route it anywhere. You can get it anywhere.
Yes, exactly. And with this, you've got different features like you've got the 360 clear view window.
Yeah.
So from any angle, depending on where you are, if it's up, down, once you see the wire at the
pipe,
pipe,
you can see it in there, so it's definitely pushed in.
Exactly. Once you see the wire at the pipe, you're good to go, basically. And the main feature we've got with K5 is that if you've, say, got a leak, instead of having to do a water test, you can actually air test the system.
Cool.
And with our patented acoustic leak technology, that's our whistle to let you know that it's all good to go.
It's all good to go. Brilliant. Yeah. Sam, thank you so much for your time.
No worries.
Really nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
And enjoy PHEX.
Thank you.
Cheers.